Large language models (LLMs) are proving to be a game changer for startups, allowing them to streamline operations and compete with established players. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Startups often operate on tight budgets, and hiring specialized experts or developing complex software solutions can be expensive. LLMs offer cost effective alternatives for tasks such as natural language processing, data analysis, content generation, and customer support. LLMs can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for entrepreneurs and employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. This automation can range from generating reports and analyzing data to handling customer inquiries and managing social media interactions. It could be even streamline the workflows. Example, LLMS can handle repetitive tasks like data entry, document processing, and scheduling, freeing up human employees for more strategic work. This increases efficiency and reduces the risk of human error. Secondly, LLMs can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and generate insights that would be time consuming or impossible for humans. This empowers startups to make data driven decisions and optimize their operations. As a use case, the ability of LLMs to analyze unstructured data is a game changer for startups, particularly when compared to traditional methods. There was a challenge of unstructured data. Historically, data analysis relied heavily on structured data stored in formats like SQL databases. These made analysis efficient and programmatic. Secondly, challenges faced by the corporates like bottleneck of unstructured data. A vast amount of valuable information resides in unstructured formats like emails, documents, and social media posts. Analyzing these data manually was expensive and time consuming, hindering startups with limited resources. LLMs act as turbochargers for a startup's agility, and accelerating the R&D cycle is a prime example of their impact. McKinsey's findings underscore the transformative potential of LLMs in boosting developer productivity and accelerating the R&D cycle for startups. By harnessing the capabilities of generative AI coding assistance, startups can gain a competitive advantage by bringing innovative products and features to market faster than ever before. Overall, LLMs are democratizing access to advanced technology and leveling the playing field for startups, enabling them to innovate, grow, and compete effectively in today's fast paced business landscape. Let's look into today's headlines. Dell Technologies and Alienware unveiled the new Alienware X16 R2 in India. Dell Technologies and Alienware have launched the new Alienware X16 R2 in India, powered with the latest Intel Core Ultra CPU on the X series. The Alienware X16 R2 is geared up for AI efficiencies and unique experiences for gamers and creators. The laptop boasts the most advanced Cyrotech thermal management system ever, incorporating the vapor chamber technology and the Element 31 thermal interface material applied across both the CPU and GPU. WhatsApp turns green for many users. WhatsApp has changed from its typical blue appearance to a green themed UI for iOS users in India. This alteration, which is not modifiable via settings, impacts the appearance and icons. Aiming for a modern new experience, this modification has elicited conflicting responses from users, with some criticizing the move. McAfee study reports more than 70% of Indians encounter deepfakes. Recent research from McAfee revealed a major problem for Indians. 75% of them encountered deepfake content and 20% encountered changed political media. Deepfakes are more likely to occur during ongoing events like the 2024 Lok Sabha elections and the Indian Premier League. Misinformation, cyberbullying, and political interference are major concerns that underscore the need for enhanced security. RBI to give banks the power to freeze accounts associated with fraud. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) intends to provide banks the authority to temporarily freeze accounts that may be linked with online fraud. Banks are currently only able to freeze accounts upon the filing of a police report. This move coincides with disturbing government data showing that since 2021, hackers have taken around $1.26 billion from innocent people. Digital Twin Consortium brings in V1.1 of Digital Twin CPT. Digital Twin Consortium DTC announced version 1.1 of the Digital Twin Capabilities Periodic Table CPT, and Architecture and Technology Agnostic Requirements Definition Framework for organizations. The CPT follows a periodic table approach with capabilities grouped around common characteristics. This version emphasizes capabilities over specific technologies and includes a revised machine readable schema for greater ease of implementation. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.